Does much help much? The more, the better? If you only work hard enough, if you only do as much as possible all the time, at any time, will it bring you success, love, happiness, money, inner peace? Or might it just stress and burn you out instead, leaving you feeling frustrated, depressed, demotivated, tired, exhausted, and hopeless? I do encounter a lot of very busy people who are chasing achievements all the time. They are busy working, they are socially busy, they are busy running up and down, busy optimizing everything around them, including themselves, yet never taking a break, never taking a breath, and never being content, not to mention happy. So let's talk about Wu Wei. I'm Christine Philipp. I'm a hypnotist and mind coach, helping people to overcome anxiety and self-doubt so they can fall in love with life again with more confidence and ease. Wu Wei is a Taoist principle and means basically to adopt an attitude of genuine non-action, motivated by a lack of desire to participate in human affairs. It's a principle of simply being, of flow, of non-doing. Let's look at it this way. A garden at the end of winter doesn't necessarily look at its best. There are things a gardener will have to do to let the garden shine in time. He will have to fertilize, cut back bushes, clean the dirt, clear out the weed, plant the seeds, water the soil. Yet he cannot do it all the time or at any given time. Too much fertilizer can ruin the soil, plants can rot. Cutting back too much or at the wrong time can prevent plants from blossoming and growing. Too much water, you get the picture. So he will have to wait for the right time to act to create a healthy and beautiful garden. He has a plan, a strategy, knowledge, and intuition. He has patience and the wisdom to let nature do its thing without having to be blindly active 24/7. He cannot pull out the flowers to make them grow faster or bigger anyway, can he? They do it in their own time. Knowing that, he can just lean back and watch it happen, enjoying the beauty in front of his eyes unfolding in time. He has done his part of the deal. So Wu Wei is all about allowing something to happen naturally and effortlessly, without force. Allowing something to become, being in a flow, just being. How often do you take time to be consciously inactive? No social media, no TV, no courses, no work, no anything. Only peace, calm, silence, and you. And if you do, how long can you do without becoming nervous or feeling guilty? I admit it's not easy for me either to just be. I catch myself often enough feeling I need to do something because I think I have to. It can become quite stressful and anxiety-inducing. And it doesn't necessarily make me feel better to do something to force something else to happen. It just won't work. I personally find it really helpful to just pause, take a step back, let something be for the time being, and take care of my well-being instead. You might find that it is most of the time us putting the pressure onto us, which can lead to high levels of constant stress, frustration, anger, burnout. Sometimes it's much healthier to just wait and see, to just let things develop naturally and in their own time, without any force or pressure. Just take some time to practice it every day and notice how you begin to feel when you just pause and you just are for, let's say, 5 minutes in a row. Be comfortable, turn off all devices, close doors, and do nothing. I'm curious about your experiences. Do not judge incoming thoughts or anything else. Just let it happen. Do you get nervous? Okay, so be it. Do you begin to think too much? Okay, so be it. Don't interfere or try to push them away. Stop telling yourself you should not think those thoughts. Allow them to just be present for their natural split second and watch them leave. It might be difficult in the beginning. So be it. It will get easier with time. You recharge, you relax, you become more aware. You are. Certain things just happen in their own time and not necessarily when you want to. Just allow it to happen effortlessly. And when you are impatient, like me, worried, and catch yourself overthinking, I suggest asking yourself 2 questions. Is this true? Is this mine? See if you can let go of some of the baggage you are unwillingly carrying right now. And often you may even find it's not your baggage that you are carrying at all, but someone else's. Lean back and do nothing. Allow something else to unfold, to grow, to happen all by itself. Like your exclusive personal garden shouldn't be fertilized all the time. Too much water will kill your plants. Seeds will grow with the appropriate care in the right moments. So just remember this. Wu Wei, rest and relax. Do not keep busy all the time. Know when being active is useful, fun, great, joyful. Know when to pause, slow, be, and let your beautiful garden unfold naturally and effortlessly. Take back control over the things you can control. And this is you. So I hope this video was useful for you, and if it was, I would be happy with a like. I would be happy if you would subscribe to this channel, share the videos with people that you think could benefit from them, and we speak soon. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.